Put your hand in mine, follow me, let me waste your time.
Hi there, I just got back from Costco, and since I bought quite a bit, I wanted to show you what I got. So my husband, he likes to grab and go type stuff. He doesn't like to take Tupperware to work, so he likes things that he can just, throw in the microwave at work and eat real quick. So I got him these chicken melts. They were on sale, so I went ahead and got these. There was 15 in a pack, and I think they were like $8. We both love these. This is the Ray Berry's Philly cheesesteak. These are really good. It is high in sodium, so this is just like, whoops. It's just like an occasional, treat yourself type thing. You're looking for something to eat, and so, those are the type of things that we'll get. I bought this huge bag of this Normandy style vegetable blend. I didn't notice that they were all they're not packaged, so I'll just have to take a little bit out and steam it. And yeah, these look really good though. Look at that. Oh, that looks so good. Yes. So then I got, don't go to Costco hungry, okay? Don't go grocery shopping hungry, because I went hungry and I was thinking of all the things I wanted to make. So then this is Veggies Made Great. These are spinach egg white frittatas, and I just thought that they looked amazing, so I went ahead and got these. Tonight I'm going to make this pulled pork. My children aren't home, so they're with my sisters, so nobody's picky tonight, so I can make these, and my husband and I can eat off of this for a few days. And then I got some provolone slices to throw on top of it, so I'm really looking forward to tonight's dinner. I also got string cheese for my kids, and for my husband and myself also. We like to wrap salami around it and just have a little quick snack, to get you through the day. And then I saw these, and I thought that these were really cute. I saw these and I was like, you know what? This is really good for the girls just to do it themselves. So it says Heat and Go mini pancakes, maple burst in flavor. So I wonder if it's kind of like McDonald's, what are theirs, McGriddles? I wonder if it's kind of like that, but they're little pouches, and they're just Heat and Go pancakes. So I thought that was a really good idea, especially with school starting. We still haven't been told whether it's going to all start virtual or what. We were originally going to do virtual and then move on campus, but now it's still up in the air. So that's what's going on right now. I got this big old thing of strawberries because they looked amazing, and I was in the mood for some really good sweet strawberries, and these just look perfect. So when I went to drop when I went to drop my kids off at my sister's, she had me try these coconut almond with dark chocolate. These are amazing. Oh my goodness. So I was like, yes, I'm going to Costco. I am leaving your house, and I'm going to go get my own. So, and they're supposed to be with dark chocolate, but they don't taste bitter at all. They taste really good. So I was really happy with that. Got some avocados. None of them are ripe, so these are gonna have to sit on the counter for a while. I always pick up a rotisserie chicken anytime I go to Sam's Club or Costco. I will take all the meat off the bone. I'll just go ahead and shred it myself, and then I will use it for tacos, or I make soups with it. I make all kinds of things, casseroles. So I like to just go ahead and buy, whenever I'm at Costco or Sam's, buy a rotisserie chicken. And then if we don't eat it as is, which most of the time we don't, because I usually end up throwing it into some kind of meal, I'll shred it, and chicken salad. My husband loves my chicken salad, so I will take this and I will use it for various meals. So I always pick up a rotisserie chicken. They had these Eggos on sale. My girls love waffles, so I went ahead and got some. We have an air fryer, and I have been putting everything in the air fryer lately, reheating everything in the air fryer. So when I saw these, I was like, I'm gonna give these a try. So these looked really good, even come with sauce. A little expensive, it was $16 for the bag. But yeah, I'm gonna try this. This looks really good. I picked up some butter. I'm always picking up butter anytime I go to Sam's or Costco, because I bake quite a bit, and it's always calling for a stick of butter, so we go through butter pretty quickly. I always want to make sure that I have butter on hand. I think this is going to be I think I have 2 boxes left, and then here I am with 4 more boxes. But I always go through butter. It's a staple in my home, and so especially for baking. So I always pick up butter anytime I go to Costco or Sam's. I picked up this organic spring mix. I saw it on someone else's channel and I was like, you know what? It's so hot outside. A salad sounds really good. So at some point I might even, when these ripen up, hopefully these will not be overripe, do some strawberries, some avocado, some chicken, and on top of this with some kind of balsamic vinaigrette or some kind of vinaigrette. Sounds good. Okay. So then for my pulled pork sandwiches, I'm going to use this. I love their ciabatta bread. The thing about their bread though is that you got to freeze it if you're not using it because it will go bad quick. So it will get really moldy really fast. So I always try to portion out half of it, put it away in the freezer, and then I will leave the other half out because we don't really go through bread that fast. Like if we go through bread, we either go through it super fast or we go through it so slow I end up throwing out a bunch. So like currently, right now, I have a loaf in the refrigerator that has not been touched and it's way expired. So yeah, it's either or. I don't know. I don't know what the deal is in my family. It's like that with fruit too. We either go through it really fast or it sits there and it goes to waste. It's probably the same in your home. Okay, so I see so many people on YouTube liking this Annie's brand. I have never picked up anything from Annie's brand. So my girls, or actually my oldest, my 11-year-old really loves macaroni. So I went ahead and I picked this up for her because she's cooking on her own now. So this is something that she can make and it's a variety pack. I'm interested in the white cheddar. I like white cheddar. So yeah, I went ahead and picked this up for her because she loves macaroni. That girl loves macaroni. Okay, so then my husband loves having beef jerky on him. He likes to just have it as a snack if he gets hungry, excuse me. Because at my job, he and I both work outside. You don't want to get lightheaded. You don't want to have a low blood sugar or get lightheaded. So having some kind of like little snack on the side, if you're not having your lunchtime right then, it's really easy for him to just pop open some beef jerky and, get some sugar and some calories in while he's waiting to do something. So pick that up this was also on sale. So I went ahead and it was like 12 bags and half of it is beef jerky, or half of it's original, half of it's beef teriyaki. So I thought that was good. My little sister swears by this Dawn Power Wash. And when I saw it, I was like, you know what? It was $10. And I believe when I go to like Kroger's or H-E-B, my grocery stores, they are like $5 each. So I didn't think that was too bad. So I got, it's like 2 refills and then the power wash. So I went ahead and I picked that up just to try it out. I mean, who can go wrong with Dawn, right? Okay, I also got this for when the girls do go back to school. They'll need their little Ziploc bags, with their sandwiches and their snacks and stuff like that. So I went ahead and picked this up. This was on sale also. And I don't know if I told you that the Eggos were on sale currently also. And then the last thing I got in this is my Coke Zero. Mama lives off of Coke Zero. I love Coke Zero. That's my drink of choice. So that is it for my haul. My Costco haul. Can't wait to eat dinner tonight. Yes, so I am very excited. I went there looking for one thing, didn't even find it, and came home with all these other things. So yeah, that's got to put this stuff up. So yep. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. And say goodbye, guys. Say bye. Say bye. Zoe and Riley wanted to say goodbye. Yes. Say goodbye. Yes. All right, guys. Bye.